Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am gonna talk about my owned most expensive lenses. Like, this is the most expensive lenses till date I've bought, and you all know that by the name itself. This one, which is from Swati Cosmetics, it's in the shade aquamarine. As you can see written on the box by its color, aquamarine is a blue in color. So this box is of 6-month lenses. Like, now they have come up with 1-month lenses as well. So this one is Swati Cosmetic lenses in the shade aquamarine. I would just like to say this is my first ever lenses which I have tried. Like, before this I never wore a lens, I never tried any lenses, and I have a power. So when this brand came up with lenses, they are offering you a power as well, so you can order your lens with power or without power. Let's talk about the price first. I have ordered their contact lenses when they were not available in India, like when they were only shipping from their website. Nowadays they are available in India on Nykaa, Amazon, in lifestyle stores. So you can go and buy yours from there, but they don't offer you power lenses. So if you want a power lenses, you have to buy it from their site, which is swati.com. So I bought this a year back, and now I have bought it again. Like 2 months back I bought this again, the same color, which is aquamarine. When I bought these lenses from their website, it cost me 4,250 rupees. Like, this is the price of the lenses, which is for 6 months. Whether you order powered lenses or without power, the price will be same. When you'll order from their website, they will charge you a shipping charge as well. In India, I have paid 1,999 rupees, which is 2,000 rupees additional for the shipping. So I bought this for 6,249 rupees. The lenses cost is 4,250 plus 1,999 I've paid for the shipping, which will be delivered in 4 to 5 business days. Within a week you will get the lenses. If you will go for the standard shipping, it will cost you 650 rupees instead of 1,999. Because I have my brother's wedding, so I wanted urgently, so I paid 1,999 rupees shipping charge. But if you don't have emergency, you can order standard shipping, so it will cost you 650 rupees. If you will go for the standard shipping, then this will cost you 4,900 rupees. Because this is the first ever lenses I have used and I have bought, I can give you a better review on this. So when I got this, I was a complete beginner. I don't know how to use lenses, and I have never tried any lenses before. This was the first time. So now let's talk about, is it worth the price? Let's talk about the packaging a little bit before we talk any further about the lenses. So this is how it looks from outside. There is it in the shade of the lenses, which is mine is aquamarine, and it's written Swati Cosmetic lenses, and there it's written 6-month lenses. And in the front they have these two eyes, one is natural color and another one is with the lenses, so you can see the difference already. And let's open the box from the sides. So there you go, this is how it looks from inside. Like, there is this something written over here, and there is the pamphlet. It's written for your eyes only. That means it is used on a single person. When you remove the pamphlet, this is how it looks inside. So it has a lens case and these two bottles, which is right there. So in these two bottles you will get the lenses, which you have to take it out from the glass and then you have to put it in your lens case. And this is the tweezer from which you can take your lenses from, so that you don't dip your fingers directly into the box. So this is all about the packaging and how it looks. Now I'm gonna share you my experience when I have opened the box, what I felt. Like, trust me guys, when you're spending 6,249 rupees on a lens, you will expect not only a good packaging but a good case inside, because it itself is the expensive lens, so they have to be a little conscious about the case. It should be good enough. But when I've opened this box and when I've taken out this box, which is a lens case inside, it's just a plastic. It's a thin plastic. I felt so bad about it. Spending so much on a lens, you will expect a good luxury kind of a case, but I'm not saying to make them a luxury case. Instead, they should use a good one. I was not satisfied with the case. I felt it's like I really felt bad at that time. The quality of the case is not nice. Thin kind of a plastic case which I didn't like. I bought a lens solution in which I got a lens case free with the solution. So I have kept my lenses in that case. And guys, look at this case. It looks so nice, so chic, and the quality of the case is also good. Like, this is the lens which I got free with the lens solution, and this is the lens case which is made up of plastic. I got this for 6,249 rupees. That was my first expression when I've opened the box. I thought I've just wasted my money. So yeah, that should be improved in the brand. But this case, as you can see, it's good. I mean, it looks good. It's really a nice texture. So yeah, so this is all about the packaging, the quality of the case and everything. Now let me wear this lenses and show you how it looks. I haven't done any makeup on my face, like it's just a sunscreen and I've applied the lipstick. The makeup, everything looks good. I mean, whatever the color is. I wanted to show you a bare face so that if you want to wear it on a daily basis, on a regular basis without makeup, so you can choose better if you should go for this one or not. Yeah, let's now apply the lenses and show you guys how it looks. So I've just applied the lenses in one of my eyes and you can see the difference. It is comfortable wearing, like I have no issues with the comfort, but because it's little vibrant, you cannot wear it without makeup. But I do wear it sometimes without makeup as well, just applying a lipstick, mascara, and that's it. But you can see if it's gonna suit you the way you want and if you're fine with it wearing on a daily basis. They have also subtle shades as well. I'm completely satisfied with the quality and the comfort of the lenses. This is how it looks on both the eyes. And if you're trying it for the first time, you can order for 1 month lenses, which is now available on their website and which will cost you 2,000 rupees. So this is my face without makeup and with the lenses on. Also, if you don't know how to wear lenses and you are a beginner, so I have made a video on how to wear lenses as well. I've linked it in the description box. Moving on to the lenses, I know it's very expensive, or there are so many brands which offer you colored lenses with power, so you can go and check that out. They will cost you 1,000 rupees without any shipping charge, and this have cost me 6,250 rupees, which is too much for a lens. That's all about the video. How to wear lenses, which lenses will suit you, this my most expensive lenses, and 2-3 videos I'll make on lenses. You guys can check that out as well. Link in the description box below. And if it's helpful to you, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button and comment below if you think I have wasted my money, which I don't know whether I did or not. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye bye.